If you haven't visited Night Heron Park recently, you really need to. It's a terrific place, and one of the features of Night Heron Park is the Nature Center, and it's back here in a beautiful setting right along a great pond. Probably one of the main attractions for people to come and visit Kiawah and live here is the abundance of nature. We have incredible nature here, and it's a nature preserve. So we decided to go over and go into the Nature Center and meet the wonderful young people that are there and working there. And we're going to be guided around by Laura Wilhoff, and Laura and the gang take care of the animals and the exhibits. So let's take a look.
These are called diamondback terrapins, and these guys live in our salt marsh. So where we do our kayaking tours, where you can rent a kayak and all sorts of things like that. They're beautiful turtles. This is a female that I'm holding. There he is. He's just hanging out. Shy. You're not likely to see one of these just, hanging out around the island. Alligator. We do not have crocodiles on the island. They're all one species, the American alligator. Kids love them. Most of them have never seen so close an alligator, but they get to touch it. We'll make sure they touch it so they really get a close-up look at them.